So I've decided I'm going to bring back While the Glue Dries, but not as you know it. You're right, Sam, yeah, it's been ages since I've done a While the Glue Dries episode, but I'm going to be bringing it back on a radio station. There's a brand new radio station that's launching on Thursday with While the Glue Dries called Maker Radio. I'll leave a link down in the description for how to listen, how to get involved, everything like that. And there's also an announcement video on their YouTube channel. Now, I made the announcement video, so of course I'm biased, but it's well worth watching. It tells you all about the station, how to listen, how to get involved. So make sure you go and check out that video and check out the website too. Now, if you have never heard of While the Glue Dries before, it was a show I did ages ago where I would talk about amazing projects I'd saw that week, competitions, sales, events, all that kind of stuff, all to do with the maker community. It's not just woodworking, not just metalworking, all things maker related. And as always, I love to get the audience involved. So if you've seen an amazing project, whether it be on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Instructables, Home Talk, all that kind of stuff, if you've seen it and you love it, let me know about it and it can be featured on the show. And the same goes for sales and competitions as well. If you've seen anything that stands out, anything that's worth having a go at, like with a competition, or if there's anything that's a bargain and you think it needs to be talked about, let me know. And the same with events as well. If you know of any events that's coming up, Maker Central, that's the big one that everyone knows, but if you know of any smaller ones around the country, let me know about them. I'm not just after text neither, so like you can private message me on my social media and you can also send me emails, but I'd love to incorporate voice clips into the show as well. You can send me the voice clips to my social media and to my email address as well, and it could literally be you talking about the project that you want to shout out, why you love it, why you think it needs people to go and see it. And also the same with sales, contests and events. Why do people need to hear about them? Why do you think it's worth a shout out? That can all be included in a voice clip and it goes out live on the show. So when's the show happening? The show will be happening every Thursday evening at 7 PM UK time on Maker Radio. To tune into the show, go on over to makerradio.net and click the play button, and that's it, you're listening live. I'll be going live at 7 PM all being well, so it should be there ready to go. But also in the future, we're currently working on an app, so there will be a dedicated app available to make it easier to listen and tune in, especially when you're in your workshop or in your car driving home from work, that kind of thing. So come and join me this Thursday night at 7 till 8, all being well, for While the Glue Dries. It's coming back, bigger than ever, on Maker Radio. I'll see you there. Well, you'll hear me there anyway. Want to be inspired by this week's incredible projects? Hear about the latest competitions and sales? What about upcoming events? Well, you can find out about those and more on While the Glue Dries every Thursday at 7 PM here on Maker Radio.